Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to get recovery codes in Microsoft account. First thing you do is sign into your Microsoft account, whether on your app or on the website. Sign in with your credentials, and next thing on the left hand side here, click on security. Then on this side here, scroll down to accounts, so click on manage how I sign in. Just go all the way down to see recovery code. Now you can use the recovery code to access your account. You will use access to your sign-in information. So make sure you print it out and keep it in a safe place, or take a picture of it. So click on generate a new code. Then you see your recovery code, print it out and keep it in a safe place, or take a picture of it. Your old recovery code will not work anymore. Then click on print or carry it. It's as simple as that. That is how to get recovery code in Microsoft account. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.